Hey folks, this is Phil with Seachoice. Today I have with me a handful of various Seachoice signaling devices. We're going to be demoing them and testing them out to see if they reach the amount of decibels as we advertise. As you may know, there's different laws and regulations depending on your local waters, so you'll definitely want to check those before taking my word for it. But I do believe most recreational boats do require some kind of signaling device, whether it's a handheld whistle to a 8-ounce air horn or one of the various electronic horns we have here. I'm going to start opening them, smallest to largest, and see how they measure out. So starting smallest from largest, we have the Streamlined safety whistle, part number 46041, attached to a lanyard, meets U.S. Coast Guard requirements. We're going to the classic referee style whistle, as I like to call it. Comes attached to a lanyard. It has the ball on the inside. It meets U.S. Coast Guard requirement. This is for part number 46011. Next, we have a similar ball style whistle that can be called the referee whistle. Has a shorter lanyard leash, it clips on. It's probably quite nice if you're wearing a life jacket with a strap in it. This is part number 11727. Okay, so the pump blast air horn, like I mentioned before, it's manually powered. Like this one here is rated at 110 decibels, right? So now let's put them to the test. So simply just gotta push air through here and see how loud we can get. Next, we have the mini signal horn kit, which is a 1.4 ounce can of gas with a very small trumpet here. So our last gas-powered can is the classic 8-ounce Seachoice air horn. Comes with the trumpet. See how loud we can go. All right, so we're on to our first electrical powered signaling device. This is part number 14501. It's the compact single horn. Next up, we have our electrical powered compact twin horn. Next, we have the drop-in hidden horns. These horns are not wired, so we're using a quick disconnect to power these horns. So this one here is part number 14611, rated to 107 decibels. Let's give it a whirl. So here's another model of Seachoice drop-in hidden horns. This one is rated to 111 decibels. It has both a black faceplate or a white. This is what it looks like without it. And then it is not wired, right? So it has these terminals. So we'll connect our disconnect to try out the sound and measure the decibels. We have our electric hidden horn, part number 14571. So this one here, it comes with a couple different components. You have your grill, your electrical connectors, depending on how you want to set it up. You can use a quick plug system, or here we're going to be using 2 terminals, because that's what I have wired to our battery. So we put our 2 electrical connections here, right? So now we want to get power to these 2 terminals. Using a quick disconnect, slides on just like that. Next, we have our compact single trumpet horn, 12 volts, rated to 108 decibels. Last, we have our compact dual trumpet. This one is rated to 110 decibels. Each horn individually is wired, as you'll see here. So a lot of different options available to you depending on your activity. Hope you found this video useful, and feel free to drop us any questions. Thanks, and have a great day.